What would you do if you were rejected 27 times? Not once. Not 5 times. 27 times. Most people quit after 3. But this man didn't. And what happened next changed his life forever. This is not just a story about success. It's a story about persistence, resilience, and the power of refusing to give up. Let me tell you what happened. His name was Daniel. Daniel wasn't special. He didn't come from a wealthy family. He didn't have powerful connections. He didn't graduate from a famous university. But he had something simple. A dream. He wanted to work in a top technology company in New York City. Every night, he imagined himself walking into a tall glass building, wearing a sharp suit, confident, successful. But imagination is easy. Reality is different. After graduation, Daniel sent his first job application. He was nervous but excited. He checked his email every hour. 3 days later, he saw the subject line, "Regarding your application." His heart started beating faster. He opened it. "We regret to inform you. Rejected." It hurt. But he told himself, it's okay. It's just the first one. He applied again. And again. And again. 5 rejections. 10 rejections. 15 rejections. Each email felt heavier. Some companies didn't even reply. Silence can hurt more than rejection. His friends started getting jobs. His parents began asking questions. Maybe you should lower your expectations. Maybe try something smaller. Doubt slowly entered his mind. By the 20th rejection, Daniel stopped telling people he was applying. He felt embarrassed. By the 25th rejection, he almost quit. The 27th rejection broke him. He sat at his desk staring at the screen. He felt angry. He felt frustrated. He felt tired. He questioned everything. Am I not good enough? Maybe they're right. For the first time, he opened a job listing for a position he didn't even want. Just to stop the pain. That night, he couldn't sleep. But around 2 a.m., something changed. He asked himself one question. What if the problem is not rejection, but preparation? That question changed everything. Instead of quitting, Daniel decided to improve. He reviewed every interview in his mind. He realized his answers were too generic. His resume was too simple. His confidence was weak. So he created a plan. Every morning, he practiced interview questions out loud. Every afternoon, he learned new skills online. Every evening, he improved his resume. He didn't complain. He worked. For 3 months. No applications. Only improvement. After 3 months, he applied again. This time, something felt different. He wasn't desperate. He was prepared. He received an interview invitation. During the interview, he spoke clearly. He gave specific examples. He smiled. He asked smart questions. For the first time, he felt confident. 2 days later, his phone rang. Unknown number. His hands were shaking. Hello, is this Daniel? Yes. We're happy to offer you the position. Silence. He couldn't speak. 27 rejections. And 1 acceptance. That's all it took. 1 yes. Years later, Daniel said something powerful. If I got accepted on my first try, I would not be ready. Rejection didn't stop him. It trained him. Failure didn't destroy him. It built him. Success was not luck. It was preparation meeting opportunity. Maybe you're facing rejection right now. Maybe you failed more than once. Maybe you feel tired. But remember this: rejection is not a final decision. It is feedback. Every no teaches you something. And sometimes, you need 27 no's to prepare for one life-changing yes. Don't quit. Improve. Adjust. Grow. Because your yes might be closer than you think. If this story inspired you, keep listening, keep learning, and keep improving your English with real stories. This is the English narrative. And your success story is just beginning.